when he walked outside and we walked around it. That one was corrupted. And then the other ones...
We're on Wayne's camera because Greg suck.
The other ones, I had...
Hey, not done yet, adventurers. Wayne here. If you enjoy our content, please slap a little mud on that subscribe button and help us out. So we're at Throttle Society, the new store, power sports store. It's a combination of Sheets Motorsports, which is right down the road, and Fox Cycles, which is right on Route 6 and 2 in Erie County. So this is the new building. Hi, Greg. I don't have to worry about you recording me. New building. It's the old Kroger building in Fremont, Ohio. As you can see, they got some stuff outside already, but got Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and CF Moto. And it looks like a big crowd coming in here for the opening of the new building. So we're gonna go inside where it's warm and look around. So cut to Wayne. Okay, that's Wayne.
Hi, I'm Wayne.
Hi, I'm Wayne. That's Stink.
Yep.
And this is the Throttle Society.
Society of Throttle.
There's the kind of trailer I need right there.
Yeah, 360 together would have been real nice to bring.
Let me get that door for you. Let me get that for you. Here you go.
Appreciate it.
Welcome. Looks like a Kroger's in here.
Here's your card. Hey, all right. Where's your card?
What's that?
Where's your card?
Right. Over to side by side.
You guys.
Hey, how you doing?
Not bad. How about you guys? Welcome to the new digs.
Yeah.
Your channel's not done yet adventures, right?
There you go. Not done yet adventures.
Not done yet adventures. Okay, that's what I thought. Man, shoot, I'm still taking it in. So I think we were as eager to see how many people would be coming to flood in as you guys were to see the new place. So hey, off-roads that side, they got it pretty clean and tight. Off-roads that side, streets that side, man. So, and then parts counter, hard to miss, straight back, take a look around, and take your time.
A lot of people.
What's going on, guys?
How you doing, buddy?
Good to see you guys. How are you doing? I'm Lincoln.
Right.
Good to see you guys. Well, Donnie, I'm going to shake your hand again here, too. Yeah, check everything out.
Oh, yeah. Greg already found the women.
Well, Donnie,
This one, dude.
Yeah, look at this definitely baby steps, you know. He said, I want to complain. I go, God dang, it's not even 10 a.m. yet.
Leave it to him to find the two nice-looking women in the building and start interviewing them.
That's funny.
You guys
Good
all
morning.
know Jody is the finance manager here at Throttle Society. I'm Anna, the social media marketing manager around here.
You guys excited?
Oh yeah,
man,
this
so
has been a
excited.
lot of work,
Yeah.
and it's so great to see everyone's like visions kind of come together. And
Yeah.
We heard a
it's really
rumor.
going wild.
We heard a rumor that they wouldn't let anybody over here.
We didn't let people in here until...
We didn't get in
Well,
here.
you know, it
I
was,
heard staff too, though.
there was a lot of logistic
There
things
was a
that
long
needed to be
time.
figured out, and there was some times where we didn't want to come over though. We wanted to be a little bit like
Surprise.
surprised. You know,
Yeah.
I like surprises, so it was like, you know, when they did finally start letting us come in, I almost didn't want to. because I almost just wanted to be able to just come in when I was ready to move my stuff in, you know. So.
I was in before everything kind of like all the construction started, and we shot that little commercial that we did with all of the bikes riding around. I was part of that. That was fun. And then I didn't see it for another year almost until they started to like get the flooring done and get everything painted. And
I am so sorry,
It's
but
so
I'm gonna
good.
have to break away. So good seeing you. Next time we'll have coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
For sure. But yeah, it's been pretty
So-
fun to see the whole process.
We have to dual record because this camera usually screws up. So.
Oh, no worries. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys check it out. Or do you have any more questions? I'm so sorry.
No, I'm sure I'll come up with some more.
Yeah, come
before we
on,
leave. Looks nice.
He already asked where the coffee was, I take it?
I did bitched and complained already.
Yes. So sorry.
Now, where's the seating area?
We do have a little bit of a lounge up front. You'll see some older bikes that we have up there and a couple couches. That's kind of where our lounge is going to be, but right now it's just some couches and vending machines.
Vending machine.
We do have some vending machines. The pricing is a little bit off, so you're not paying as much as what it tells you. We found that out all this week because that's all we were doing for lunch.
Well, that's good though.
Yeah.
It's better than charging you more.
Yes, that's what I kind of felt like. Yeah. But please check it out. There's tons all over. We've got some parts and accessories all the way around the wall. You'll notice all of the different machines everywhere, and everything's kind of like sectioned off. So
Hey, they got your bike back there.
How many more staff did they have?
So we merged Sheets, Motorsports, and Fox Cycleworks, and each of us had about 20 employees, so we were able to get it done just merging the two together.
Okay.
Yep. So we added 20 people to Sheets staff initially, and then now we're all Throttle Society employees.
Nice.
And what did you say?
I see we got some
bikes
merch
back
back
here.
here.
My bike?
Yeah, come here, I'll show it to you.
You guys check it out. Have fun today.
Thank you. This is not going to go well.
Why not?
Yeah, happy ending, thankfully.
Yeah, that's great.
Look at these bikes. Holy.
Here you go.
Dude, I need to save up enough to get a bike.
You need to finish paying off the quad.
Hey, you see
Get a
that?
job.
See that? It only costs you about $9 grand to go kill yourself.
10.
This is for me?
No, yours
Oh.
Too close.
Got little Honda.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. There it is, baby.
Look at that. You
there
got
you
the
go.
training wheels on it for
Give me
you.
your camera. Give me your camera.
Hop on, Greg.
Don't put all your weight on it, you big old fat. Your speed.
It's almost too tall for him.
I like
That's what the
it.
training wheels are for.
Wait a minute, I got to get a picture of this. Send it to my daughter.
Oh, geez.
How much is that type?
2,200 bucks.
Here, Lincoln. Hold this camera.
2,100 bucks. This one's 2,100 bucks
For the really small bikes.
because it doesn't come with the training wheels.
I never thought I'd see a dirt bike with training wheels on it.
Oh yeah, they put training wheels on everything.
On everything?
I'm filming you, filming me.
Really? I got like the really small. These are electric.
This is the CF Moto aisle.
Tell me what you want.
This one blotch it one. Island edition.
They got the wrong sticker on it.
Yeah. Full cab. Yep, that's what he bought right there. Got a hydraulic lift bed.
Yeah, they are.
Rob and I sat in that one the one time we came over.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Trails would be wide enough.
I think when we get tired of having each machine for the whole group, we buy one of those and all 4 of us ride around together.
So one guy driving, 3 guys napping.
Right there.
Who the hell let Derek in here?
Derek, the Honda.
Man, that's a sweet looking machine.
They need to make an overlanding version. What do you think, Derek? You up for a new machine? Oh,
sorry.
Yeah. See how you are? Yeah. We don't have too many of them though. Not too bad. How you doing? Yeah, it is. Is this the limited? Yeah.
Should be yours, Wayne.
Yeah, except this doesn't have the dump bed.
Oh, that's a compact.
Yeah. There she blows.
Yeah, in some respects, I kind of wish I would have bought the blue, but I'm happy with what I did. I kind of wish I would have bought the blue.
Really?
Even though it's a different blue than like the Sport, I like that color.
Do you?
Oh yeah.
Well, you know, I was looking. You know, Derek did that last video, the little short video on his Honda. He was talking about the wrap. I'm just serious thinking that maybe that's the way to go.
Yeah.
To try to protect it a little bit better.
We got to find somebody that's willing to do that. Barrett won't do it. Well, we can reach out to him, but he doesn't have Yamaha listed on any of his stuff. Maybe because it's not as popular as Can-Am and the.
I wonder if Foghorn would do it.
I don't know. It's got to be that thick vinyl though. Like that's what they got, thick vinyl.
Oh yeah.
I just don't understand why Yamaha doesn't put bead locks on it. You're going up to a limited, and you're taking things away from a machine that's below it, XDR.
Well, you ever start to think that maybe each of the units falls short on purpose, so that you're buying extras?
Yeah, but the XTR, there's nothing you really need. The stuff I'm adding, I don't need.
No, but you want it. You want bead locks. You want this. You want that.
So you would think that, like this, you're paying more money. It's a limited.
You'd think this
You
had the
think
bead
they would
locks
have
and
the
that
same
wouldn't.
stuff as XDR, plus a couple.
It has different couple things. Right?
Yeah, but it doesn't have the bead locks in it. So what you're telling me is this one isn't going to run. Even the rims are chintzier than the XDR. I don't know. Just me.
So what you want is something like the Expedition.
Look, you got a king quad thing in the back of the Yamaha.
Do you think that they were trying to get rid of all their sheet stickers, so they just put them on the machines?
They probably put them on before they combined. That's probably machines they brought over that had them on it originally. We got to track down Nate.
He's probably hiding in an office somewhere.
We gotta check out his new shop over here. There he is, right there.
I kind of like them work shirts they had.
Big old flat shirts.
Yeah, I want a hoodie. Unless they had those work shirts, but I don't see the work shirts anywhere. Looks like large is the biggest they have right now. Robert! What's up, buddy? Not too much, man. How you been? Living the dream. Yeah. Love it.
First impressions?
Love it. Do you guys have larger hooded sweatshirts?
We can order them.
Okay.
We'll have them here for you.
Okay.
We kind of just went with like a small run of everything right now,
Right.
but we'll do more for like extended sizes.
Yeah, well, I'll catch you on the next one then.
Oh yeah. Let us know. Let us know. What, like,
3X.
A 3X? Okay.
3X.
I'll make sure
I'm
that we get those.
big fat guy, so.
No, I got a big guy at home too. You just need a little more room in your clothes.
I'm the perfect weight if I was taller. If I was like 8 foot, I'd be the perfect weight.
I think that too. But yeah, well, I'll make sure. I've been pushing for that, but we just did like a small one.
Yep. No, I just went over there, checked it out, went to see if they get something bigger in.
Yeah, we do have hats available right now, but
I'll take a look at the hat set.
we'll be doing more to like expand our apparel as well.
Right.
Different different designs. And
Right.
different things for each kind of section in here.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. I just got to get Dan to work on my trade-in for my. I want to go to a 4-seater like Rob did, but I need to pay off mine first.
I gotcha. Yep.
We're not quite at the same number.
No, that's
Yep.
Robbie, what are you doing?
Putting the crime scene on there.